Hi everyone, Gian here. Our Bible verse for today is all about Proverbs 3 9 to 10. Honor the Lord with your wealth and with the first fruits of your produce. Then your barns will be filled with plenty, and your vats will be bursting wine with wine. So, yung verse po na to, um, yung first fruit is a requirements before sa Old Testament. But now, we are under of the New Covenant, the New Testament. Ang principle ng Biblia na pag nagbigay ka sa Panginoon, God generously give to generous people. So, we are under the New Covenant. Ang first fruit is a culture before na applicable because they are required to give your first fruit. But sa panahon natin ngayon, it is and yung requirements na yon, it is not a biblical way. So, when you require the first fruit, ibig sabihin hindi to volunteer na inalok. 'Di ba? So, as a Christian, na para siyang spiritual bat pag ginawa mo yon. Kumbaga parang spiritual abuse na parang mabigyan ng Christian tax, no? So, it's prone to prosperity gospel. And it's not a biblical pag ni-require kasi kumbaga hindi siya volunteer na galing sa puso. So, first fruit is a voluntary sacrificial giving the first portions of your income. And first fruit or voluntary sacrificial giving honors our God. So, first fruit also is a voluntary sacrificial giving can be one of the means of receive blessings from God. When it comes to a New Testament, it is a sacrificial giving. First portions of our income, yes. Masaya ka na kapag nagbigay ka, maluwag sa puso mo, maluwag sa isipan mo, walang, kumbaga may kurot sa puso mo kasi, kaya may kurot sa puso mo kasi, alam mong, importante sa'yo pero kailangan mo i-sacrifice. Pero, habang ginagawa mo siya, dapat andun yung masaya ka, and that is honoring God's. So, basically, ginagawa natin is nagtatanim tayo. When we give, we express our faith. Why? Because when you give, you surrender everything to God na kahit gaano kalaki or kaliit, you sacrifice it and you trust God for the provisions of God na hindi kanya pababayaan. When we give, we express our faith. Kaparaanan ito ng Diyos na makikita natin na may ginagawa ang Diyos sa buhay natin. And practice sacrificial giving is a way of thankful the Lord. So basically saying, Lord, thank you. Practice sacrificial giving is a channel of blessings. And napakaganda na i-practice natin na maging channel of blessings. At kapag binigyan ka ng Diyos, hindi ibig sabihin na para sa yun, binigyan ka ng Diyos kasi may purpose yun para maging blessings ka din sa iba. Pag bukas palad ka, pagpapalain ka ng Diyos. Pero, pag sarado yung palad mo, paano kapag papalain ng Diyos, di ba? Kasi ayaw pumasok. So, dapat bukas yung palad natin. Practice sacrificial giving as a new way that trust God, our Lord. Magtiwala tayo sa Kanya that God is generous to generous people. Kailangan natin panghawakan yun. Lagi ang Diyos ang generous sa atin. Kasi siya talaga yung unang nagbigay, siya yung unang nag-sacrificial giving ng kaisa-isa niyang anak. Bakit tithings and yung first fruit is basically, kumbaga parang pagkatiwalaan natin na yung mga bagay na meron tayo is yung mga bagay na gusto ng ating Panginoon Diyos na ma-share natin sa mga taong nasa paligid natin. Maging instrument tayo para maging channel of blessing sa ibang tao. And hope this verse you learn a lot. Thank you everyone and God bless.